Welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Richard Kemp, and this is the second of two vlogs in our Law Firm as a Service series that take a bigger picture look at the changing shape of the UK legal services market. In the first, we looked at where we've come from. This one looks ahead to what technology developments have in store. The UK legal services market is large and incredibly diverse, and about the only thing that everyone has in common right now is how to deal with technology change. Although law tech feels like it's at the frothy part of the hype cycle at the moment, AI, the blockchain, and digital reality will have a big impact on how we work as lawyers. To take an example, using AI is about efficiencies in standard, repeatable tasks like contract automation, litigation discovery, and due diligence. It's still very early days, but what will legal AI look like at scale? A few pointers. First, competition will drive adoption. Clients will want their law firms to have the best AI so the other side doesn't get an advantage. Second, AI as a service will become a commodity. Machine learning will bake into the AI platform business and contracting patterns for, say, a healthcare M&A deal. Third, AI software and service providers, rather than law firms, may end up as the natural home for legal AI at scale. Fourth, smart APIs will enable clients to aggregate different parts of the service from different providers. Fifth, network effects will lead to consolidation. We'll end up with a smaller number of AI platforms that everyone uses. These trends point different ways, some to more, some to less work for law firms, some to consolidation, others towards fragmentation. But it's clear that computers will replace humans for a variety of tasks, and that, at scale, these changes will impact the law firm model. Just think how much of the top 100 law firms' fees comes from due diligence. In turn, this will impact the law firm pyramid, which will become thinner towards the bottom, more shard, less Cheops. And as competition intensifies, law firms will have to get better at advertising to build the brand, sustain the talent, and maintain profitability. As we've seen, these technology changes come on top of big demographic changes. In 2006, private practice accounted for 80% of the market, with in-house and the bar making up the rest. By 2016, the law firm share had reduced to 70%, driven by the rise of in-house and the arrival of alternative providers. According to recent Law Society forecasts, the whole market in 2026 will be 20% bigger than today. But if current trends continue, law firms will account for only 60% and other providers 40%, a doubling of their share since 2006. Adding technology to demographic change makes the picture a few years out hard to read right now. But the changes will give the in-house team more tools to do more with less with, provided that the business is willing to take on the extra insurance risk that it currently farms out to the law firm. And for law firms, counterintuitively, the changing demographics may well start to offset the impact of substituting machine for human labour. Drawing the analogy with software as a service, what's clear is that there's plenty to think about as we enter the era of the IT-enabled law firm as a service. As ever, from this frothy point in the cycle, the trick is to avoid overestimating change short-term and underestimating it long-term. If you'd like to find out more about what we've been discussing in these vlogs, check out our website at kempitlaw.com.